Hey love is a self-care motivation video. I invite you to unwind and relax in the evening with me. We are going to cook something frugal, easy, and scrumptious. And chicken is my go-to. This one is mouth-watering with some sweet potato, perfect for the season. And then we are going to unwind and relax. Let's jump right into it. Cheers! Okay, love, it's almost 5 p.m. I just came back from the store. I went to Trader Joe's and Aldi. I was feeling a little thirsty. I got some water. Now let's get changed and let's cook. When I tell you guys that I absolutely nailed this chicken, I put my foot on this chicken. It was absolutely mouth-watering. The season to perfection. It was a bunch of flavors and savors, just something out of this world. It was a home run, really. No, for real. I'm not just saying that because I made this. Oh my goodness, I am praising chicken. How silly. It was good. Was that good? I'm all about recipes that are frugal, healthy, convenient, and very easy to make. You can throw it in your air fryer or your oven and you're good to go. When they say it's all about the seasoning, it's true. The seasoning that kills. Promise, guys. Now it's time to relax. Let's get to the bathroom. It actually warmed me up. It's a vibe. It's really a vibe. And the whole bathroom is really cozy, inviting. It's getting really steamy and hot in here. The only person is missing is my husband. Just kidding. So you can just have your s'mores ready or your champagne. Have a nice bath and unwind. So this is a perfect gift. It was really, oh, this is a perfect gift.